Introducing Waxwing, your AI Copilot for growth marketing. Just enter your business URL, and Waxwing crawls your website, integrates with third-party tools, as well as your internal tools to gather target audience insights, detailed user personas, competitor analysis, and more, all in real time. Waxwing acts as a central hub for all your business intelligence. Start by simply dumping your idea on the dashboard. Waxwing's AI transforms your raw initial ideas into a comprehensive step-by-step marketing plan, broken down into tasks with predefined KPIs, budget estimate, effort estimate, and everything else you need to execute the initiative. Waxwing tells you exactly what to do and how to do it best. Need more help? MarketingGPT is your dedicated co-pilot, providing expert advice at every step. It understands your current task, brand guidelines, and relevant intelligence, offering the right context for the right task at the right time. If you feel a creative block and are not sure where to start, explore our 500+ proven personalized marketing strategies tailored to your specific industry and goals. Waxwing isn't just a tool. It's your AI-powered partner in marketing success, from in-depth analysis to strategic execution. Waxwing revolutionizes ideation, planning, and execution. Embrace the future of marketing with Waxwing, accelerate your growth experiments, and achieve success at hyperspeed.